Don't stop breathing.
Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. Today we have some exciting things happening. We are going to be tackling those bedside drawers and the Burlwood contact paper. Actually, first what I'm going to do is get a cup of coffee. This is my third cup this morning and I normally just do 2, but I'm feeling like I need the caffeine, so. But, what time is it? It's almost 12. So 12 is normally my cutoff time, so I'm gonna scarf this. So I curled my hair this morning, and I'm so grateful for the winter because it's dry, and my hair will actually hold the curl, but they're kind of tight, so I just kind of want to brush them out. Oh, maybe I should have left them. Oh well. They're kind of, okay. I think I ruined them, but that's okay. All right, that's actually not too bad. This part right here is definitely flatter than I hoped for. But my hair is super dirty, and I just put a bunch of dry shampoo in it, so it's what we're working with. Ah, the sink just arrived. That is so exciting. All right, let's take this next door. I'm gonna unbox the sink. Not that that's very exciting, but I don't know, it kind of is to me. Where did I put? I'm so excited because this sink came with so many goodies. Like things that fit in the sink itself. I'm sweating. That thing was heavy, but it's so beautiful. I will show you final product later once she's installed. So level. Okay, let's start unboxing. Listening to my music on my AirPods so I don't get copyrighted. If I can find where I put my X-Acto knife. Where'd it go? Be right back. First, let's unbox my picture frames. Trying to film a YouTube video and on your iPhone all at the same time. That's a lot. One will go right here. So we'll have one on either side. I think that's gonna look good. Okay, now I actually already opened the top Burlwood paper. I think it looks really good. These black parts, they come off, so I'm gonna unscrew those. I'm gonna give her a good wipe down. Oh, there's a gun in here. Nice. We are going to put the contact paper on. I've already done the other dresser, taken these off, wiped it down, made sure everything's clean. Cut these slightly over what the measurement was, which was 22 inches by 9 inches. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, what I've done is I could not get out all of the air pockets. I'll try to do better on the next drawer. But I just took my knife and poked a tiny little hole in each of them, and that seemed to do it. I mean, there's definitely still bumps, but you know, it's not gonna be perfect, and that's okay. So now I'm just cutting off all of the edging. Like, genuinely, get an X-Acto knife if you're gonna do this. Makes it perfect. Just to give you an idea of what it is looking like, I personally love it. Then, just imagine. Oh yeah. Oh, this one's so much better. Okay, that's how I'm gonna do it on the next one. Here is what is happening. Okay, I've got one done. Now, this color wood is definitely in here because there's, you know, these darker brown spots. So it does match. However, I don't know if I like it. I almost feel like I need to do the entire outside in Burlwood. This is kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know. I think it would look really good. I don't know. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. Tell me, what should I do? Which I'll probably have already made up my mind by the time you see this. But I have a feeling that that is what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna do the entire wooden part in the contact paper. I really think it'll look good. Okay. This beautiful 30 by 40 is going to cover up the electrical panel. Now this little lamp, so cute. I got it from the thrift store for $1.98 and I want it to go in the kitchen. But for now, I'm just gonna set that right there. Hello and good morning. It's Saturday. We have a slider in our studio. Ooh, that lighting is so good. I have this one window and we put privacy film on it. Sorry, I did not film the start of that. But I'm gonna film me cutting it out and making it look nice.
Everything about feel.
This is not a a perfect X-Acto-Knife job.
Do you think you're going to want a doorstop for the front door, or do you think you're good with that little thing?
Oh, I think I'm good with that thing. Do you need me on that side or this side?
I don't know. Is the director supposed to say action?
And action.
I was waiting on you.
I mean, it's going. It's filming.
Okay. There we go.
Okay. Hello and good morning. We're getting an early start today. We have so much to do. So we need to be completely moved in by this coming weekend. So it is the weekend right now and we feel under the gun. So my husband, he works full time. And so all of this that's being done is being done after hours. So like when he gets off work and then of course on the weekends. It's the weekend now and we have 1 week basically to get everything done. So we got majority of the doors hung yesterday, as you will have seen. So that's good. We've already got a few blinds put up. And then today I'm gonna be working on cleaning and just organizing tools, getting tools out of the apartment that we do not need anymore. And then I'm gonna be starting to deep clean this place so that we can start moving in.